Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M5 versus the Toyota Supra MK4. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these vehicles legendary, from their raw power to their unique driving dynamics. We'll explore their engineering marvels, discuss their strengths, and highlight their differences. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which automotive icon might be the perfect fit for your garage. When it comes to raw power, both cars deliver, but in different ways. The M5, often equipped with a potent V8, provides a commanding 400 horsepower, making it a true executive express. The Supra MK4, with its legendary 2JZ inline-six, offers 320 horsepower in stock form. While the M5 emphasizes refined power, the Supra's lighter build and responsive engine make it incredibly engaging for performance enthusiasts. The driving experience in these two machines is quite distinct. The M5, being a four-door performance sedan, offers a superb balance of luxurious comfort and impressive high-speed stability. It's a car that can effortlessly cover long distances. In contrast, the Supra MK4, a two-door sports coupe, is renowned for its agile and precise handling. It truly shines on twisty roads, providing a more direct and engaging connection between driver and asphalt. Beyond their stock capabilities, both cars boast incredible tuning potential, though the Supra MK4 truly stands out. Its 2JZ engine is a tuner's dream, famously capable of handling over 1,000 horsepower with the right modifications. The M5 also responds well to performance upgrades, further boosting its already impressive power. Both vehicles have cemented their places as automotive legends, cherished by enthusiasts worldwide for their engineering prowess and enduring appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.